The builders that are ahead of the curve, that implement technology in every build, are winning customers over because they're starting to realize that technology is one of the forefronts and one of the most important things of the home. Aside from the architecture, aside from cabinets and countertops, we have a builder that every client that they have bring to one of our showrooms, and they lead with us. They do that because every client ends up spending $200,000 to $300,000 in every build they do, and their builds are $2 to $3 million.
The showroom's going to give us the ability to do what Jeff calls and what we call the life of the client experience. He describes it as an on-the-rails experience where we can walk our clients through our process and explain to them why we are the best option for this. They want to make sure that they're doing a lot of the same thing in all of their homes. It's more efficient, it's faster. Builders really enjoy that because builders find us coming in and creating waves slows their process. And especially because one of the elements of our process is lighting design, we find ourselves on the critical path of their charts. And now as a low voltage smart home company, we're not just hanging TVs, we're not just putting up speakers. We're now dealing with life safety systems, lighting control with lighting systems within the house. So now the builder has a lot more visibility on us.